for Mississippi, look out. Stop fucking with Mississippi.
I thought they ain't had shit over there. They got some bad motherfuckers over there. I thought California had better cars. Man, you be. God damn. Yeah. What a can. What a can. Yeah, come on with it. Man, see how you. Y'all make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, tell your friend and everybody. Trying to get some new subscribers around here. Y'all don't tell everybody. I'll be able to beat him. Yeah. Yeah. That ain't gonna win. I might could get it. I might could get him. Okay, but anyway, y'all make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. Check out my YouTube channel, man. Hit the like button. I don't know if all y'all been hitting the like button. Go ahead and hit it one time for the one time. Damn, Cody up 2,000. I should have been betting at this thing. My boy Scott paid this month. Shout out to Demonology. Having a good event. July 2nd, Texas Motorplex, the Gap Fest. I will be attending. Look out. Already, P-Perps, make sure you hit me up in the inbox. Hit me up, P-Perps.
Alright, man, they must make a good hit, my man.
Hey, man, how many modems you got, man? 3. He got 3 modems, y'all. He got a stable connection, y'all. Y'all check out my boy Tickle Fits. He got a stable connection. Got 3 modems.
Yours messing up?
Yeah, I done messed up a couple times now. I had to reset it and restart it and all that. Yeah. But he got everything. I'ma try. Oh, there you go. 6 months. Okay.
It was $350.
$350
So
for
it's
the 6.
$150 a month for the third one.
Okay.
The hotspot has AT&T and T-Mobile in the hotspot, so it's basically like 4.
Yeah. Well, I got his channel is Tickle Fits. He on Twitch. Yeah, that's Tickle Fits, y'all. He got a stable, super stable connection. Cost $470 a month. Y'all want to see me with it? Y'all gonna have to get y'all donating skills, though.
Right?
I can't. Yeah, y'all be. Oh man, it's buffering. $470. Look out! Look out! $470 and stop there. Y'all want to help on that, folks? I know you don't. But anyway, make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, man. It's going down one time for the one time. Tell everybody. What's up with it, Kenya South Grudge Racing? Yeah, we still out here. But anyway, we about to get up out of here though. They still racing, they still putting in. But the donations been kind of low today besides old demonology. That was nice. Very nice. But anyway, yeah, we're gonna go live again later on, man. Y'all have y'all a good night. Hit the like button before you go. You know what I'm saying? If you did forget to donate if they wanted to, the number 214-514-9545. That'll hit you up on Cash App, Zelle, PayPal, any of that. So y'all be on the lookout. Tell everybody. Tell your friend. Money did have you to. I don't have my pants down anyway. But anyway, y'all have y'all a good one, man. Be safe.